Hello, Luke speaking.
Hey Luke, what's going on, man? This is Eric.
Hi Eric, how you doing?
Hey, so we really love your smudge script technique. Is it cool if we stop by your place in Portland to see how you do it?
Let me see if I got some time in the schedule.
It'll be super quick. We'll just be in and out.
Okay, all right. I'll put some clothes on.
All right, man. We'll be right over. Hey, man, nice to see you.
You too, welcome. Come on in. This is my partner Morgan, who's also an artist.
Hey Morgan, nice to meet you.
So we are upstairs in the mothership.
The main creative hub of the house, really.
So this is what I'm best known for, I guess, is this smudge script technique that I developed. That was born out of experimentation, just playing with colors and techniques and different tools. But if you'd like, I can show you how to do it.
Yeah, let's see it.
So what I typically do is open up one of my colorful artworks, just usually pull anything that has multiple colors in it, so it'll allow the colors to blend really nicely. We'll also open a separate document, and then go back to our colors. We want to check the smudge tool down here, and then we'll check our strength, which I like to keep in the 90s, 90% up here, and make sure that you've also checked sample all layers. So when it comes to adding a new empty layer above, it's going to take into account everything that's underneath. So what I can do is just, with my stylus, get my move tool and then drag it. And I just tend to keep all the letters over here until later when I've done them all, figured out the technique, and it usually helps keeping the flow going. So maybe we can do something a little fun. I got little technique shortcuts that are worth learning to add new layers. That's pretty much how it's done.
Nice. Thanks for sharing that.
Bada bing.
Hey, I got one last question for you.
Yeah.
Can you take me to the airport?
Yeah, I think I could do that.